In the Student Law Academy, I was able to meet a lot of great people and also learn about the law, ethics, and respect.
One thing I learned through this program is how to better problem solve. This has impacted my life by having me be able to solve other people's problems at an adequate level.
My favorite part of this summer was definitely meeting people who have the same goals and interests as me. I also like seeing the practical and human side of lawyers that I never thought I would see.
I think that with SLA, I can finally make my future decision in my career and say that I do want to become a lawyer and I do want to study law. And I think that without SLA, I wouldn't be as certain as I am to make that decision. So
one thing I learned from SLA is that ethics and morals play a big part in what your future is.
Some things that SLA has taught me is just the versatility within the legal field and how all of the legal careers kind of work together and combine. And no matter what you do, you're going to be working with the other legal pathways.
Getting to participate in this program and meeting so many different legal professionals from such diverse backgrounds, it's really sparked my interest in areas of law that I would have never considered if not for this program. So I'm grateful for that.
I've definitely learned to explore a lot more fields through this program, and I've been open to a lot more professions that I wouldn't have been without, this internship. So
I learned so much more about immigration law and went in depth about it. I want to thank KCMBA so much for this amazing opportunity. I look forward to continuing to be a part of this program in the future.